stranded. The growing catastrophe is the worst flooding in a century.
It was the worst flooding disaster in a century. What we witnessed in Doboj and Maglaj region is unbelievable. The entire towns were completely flooded. The water reached up to 6 meters. Approximately 80,000 people were forced to leave their homes. More than 7,000 homes in Bosnia were completely uninhabitable. A vast number of landslides have worsened the situation. I was completely devastated by the impact of the severe flooding throughout my home country. It brought back memories from the 90s conflict that tore the country apart. I took immediate action to help the flood victims, and together with Sascha Nagel, my friend from Germany, we organized an international aid campaign. We have organized a truck with 21 tons of emergency relief items, which were transported from Germany to Sarajevo. Together with a camera crew, we personally went to the affected areas to hand out the emergency relief items, thanks to our generous sponsors and volunteers. So if anything, I kind of hope that this washed away their hate and people realize that every life is precious, no matter the race, religion. We are all people and deserve respect and treatment as any other. Let's hope that this country has learned a valuable lesson about respect and humility towards lives and other people. The people of the former Yugoslavia haven't had much to cheer about in the past quarter of a century. The fact that despite the bloodshed of 90s conflict, they somehow preserved a sense of solidarity is one of those small triumphs that provides you with the strength and hope. It will take years for the country to recover, so Sascha and I are committed to continue helping the victims while working closely with local humanitarian organizations and our generous sponsors and volunteers from all over the world.